What is up, everybody? Welcome to another video tutorial with Jace Tutorials. So we are going to convert our MPEG. So it's a video file. We are going to convert it to our .mov or movie file so that we can edit it in iMovie. So here's our MPEG file, our MPEG movie. So I got it from this video file came from PC when I exported some footage. So now I'm gonna open up iMovie just to show you guys. So I won't be able to import it. So let me do a quick import here. So I saved it on the desktop. So you're gonna see the .mpg. I can't click it right now. File type MPEG movie. Also notice the space. It's 3.2 MB. So now we are going to convert this to MOV using the Quicktime player. So let's open up our Quicktime player. I'm just gonna open file. So I'm gonna open up the jacetutorials.mpg. So you can definitely play it back, but I just can't add it to iMovie. So we're gonna export it as 1080p. Save it to the desktop. I'm also gonna use the HEVC so that it's high efficiency. Alright, saving now. Shouldn't take too long. Alright, now that it's there, we have it here on our desktop. So let me show you guys the get info. It is a .mov now. QuickTime movie, to be precise. Cool. So let's import this into iMovie. Right here. So if you notice the space, so the new MOV file is actually 6 MB compared to the MPEG, which was only 3.2 MB. So it will take more space. So I'm gonna drag it into the iMovie, our timeline. Do a little test and we are good to go. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.